Hey guys, this is a Learning Tiger here, and in this uh, HTML tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about phrasing. Now, in the last tutorial, I taught you guys about, you know, how you can make text bold and italic, but there are there are like at least two more I'm going to talk to you guys about. Two or not two, but three more. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, the first one is the S tag. Let me write something here. 300. 350. So, okay, well, what the S tag does goes like this. The, the S tags, we paste this 300. So what it does is that's gonna cross out this $300, then that will lead us to $150. So the crossed out or strike through line. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, and that's how it's gonna look like. So yeah, the S tag meaning it's gonna put a cross line, like a strike through line. It's gonna cross that out, and then that will display. Now other tag, give me the other tags is the U tags. So like this. So yeah, that's the U tags. And what that does, it is yeah, it basically underlines the text. So yeah, let me write something here. Sorry about that. Why does this keep on appearing? This is this bar has a charger, charger when opening it. I know it will not make that sense, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like when we're talking debugging. So yeah, so this car has a charger. So yeah, I underlined charger when opening it. The charger is underlined. Uh, underlined. Sorry. Now the next tag is the mark tag. Now what this does is it highlights any text. So sorry about that. It goes like this. I don't know why this keeps on coming. Laptop. Let's say it's two two PB. PB stands for petabyte. Here we are. Computer science. You're into computers. Yeah. Video video game. We'll make that not petabyte, but say 12 gigabyte. Yeah. Or not 12. Just 7 gigabytes. And I know that this all doesn't match up or with each other, but these are just I'm just showing you examples. So yeah, laptop 2 PB, video game 7 gigabyte. So yeah, the 2 petabyte PB is highlighted. So is the 7 gigabyte GB with the mark tags. The other tag that can be used is Right. Just trying to remember, but yeah, just say it's the last tag, but same as the S tag. It's called del tag. So yeah, it's practically the same as the S tags. It has a strike through line where it crosses out a text and you put an alternative text. So yeah, how does it work? I'll just write the price. Price again. So this has $40. Then our here it's gonna be lower price. It's gonna be $15. Why not? So oh, let's see how it's gonna look. So yeah, same as the S tag. The DL or the del tag works the same way. So you can choose either one, S or del tag, doesn't matter. But so highly recommended to use the del tag. So no. Again, just review. So the S tag, S tags we'll put a strike through line on one of the text that's here with the S tags, and then an alternative text will be right here for the U tags. This will underline a text you want to underline. And then the mark tags, it's gonna highlight the text you want to highlight right here. And then for the del tags, like the S tags, it's gonna put a strike through line, text you don't want, and put an alternative text. So yeah, that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, like and subscribe. And yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. And then next video, I'm going to teach you about the most important concept in HTML, which is called hyperlinks.